Golden Ears Provincial Park. 3 campsites: Alouette, Gold Creek, North Beach campgrounds. Today we visited North Beach and had a great day at the beach. We're staying at the Gold Creek campsite, which has a real nice walk, but not like super direct lake access. If you go to Big Alouette, they have a beautiful beach, good access. North Beach, yeah, it is great. If you're staying there, you gotta walk down a big hill, but you have great access to the beach. Overall, a great campsite. Okay, here I am heading on a little bike ride to check out the entrance to the park. They ask that all traffic when arriving the first time go to the ticket booth on the main road here. Here at the ticket booth, you, of course, will check in. In the summer, it's closed here because it's spring. But in the summer, it's happening, it's open, and you can buy firewood, and there's a little store in behind to get some treats. This turn off to the right heads to Alouette Campground, the big campground, and we'll check that out more later. And as we zoom down the road here, the gravel road off to the left takes you to North Beach Campground, and then going straight in, we're heading to our campground, Gold Creek. So this is an abnormal out of all the provincial campsites I've been to. I've never been in this asphalt, but wheelchair accessible. So cool, like it's perfect, and we really enjoyed it. We're right by the washrooms. We saw another one. Beautiful field to play some sport. So there you go. Walktails.
Walktails.
Exploring the campsite.
With our walk.
You can access the lake from all 3 campsites. I would say this campsite
Oh my gosh, the water is so clear down there.
is the most indirect access to the beach. Oh, that's fine.
These are nice.
And there's where we were earlier today. North Beach.
Look at that beautiful beach.
That's where we were today?
Oh, I know where that is. I see. That's North Beach.
Correct. That's a good campsite. Good provincial campsite. Standard fire pit. Good gravel base. This one leads right to a trail that takes us to the other campsite. I always make note of the good campsites. Keep them in my logbook. Makes a big difference. Cool. Called Walktails. Standard provincial campsite. Another one. Picnic table. Off in the barbecue area. The fire pit. Bit of a pad. On the website it even tells you the size. Beach campsite, small, medium, large. I don't know, I love my provincial campsites. Tour continues. Well, after 2 great days at Golden Ears, thought I'd get up at 6 in the morning with no people and come back here to North Beach. To me, this is kind of the funnest place to hang out when you want to be at the lake. There are other beaches and areas to go to enjoy the water, but I just love coming here to Gold Creek. You can go up and down that creek in your kayak, inflatable, gorgeous views. If it's busy here, I'm going to walk there in a minute. You can go way around the corner to the other part of the beach and claim your own little part of the beach and set up for the day. So let's go check out the other corner. This is, to me, the little secret gem. Come and hang out for the day. Usually a little quieter here if you want to set up your camp for the day. And as you can see, pristine views. Good morning sun. Great place to hang out.